Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Praise be to Allah for showing mercy on us and making each and every moment of our lives a precious one. My dear students, I welcome you all to our English online session. Dear students, today we are going to learn a new topic, conjunction. So this conjunction is quite familiar to you. You would have learnt in your lower classes. So coming to conjunction as such, what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases or sentences to each other. To be very simple, conjunction is nothing but connecting to words, phrases or sentences. So what are some common conjunctions? And, or, but, or the common conjunctions which we use in our day-to-day life. So what is a conjunction? It is a connecting word. And some common conjunctions are and, or, so, as, but, then. So these are the very common conjunctions. So conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases or sentences. Now let us see the functions of each conjunction. Coming to and is used to connect two similar ideas, that is same ideas. This and that, bread and butter, milk and honey. So and is used to connect two same ideas, that is similar ideas. I am tired and hungry. So I am tired and hungry. So two similar ideas. So we are using and. I did my homework and cleaned my room. So I completed my homework, so I cleaned my room. So and is used to connect two similar ideas. Next coming to but. But it is also a conjunction which is used to connect two opposite ideas, that is contrasting ideas. Not apples but oranges. So apple and oranges are different. Not this but that. Example, I looked everywhere but I could not find my book. So but is used to connect two opposite ideas. He is small but strong. Though he is small, he is strong. So but is used to connect two contrasting ideas, that is two opposite ideas. And is used to connect two similar ideas. Next conjunction is or. So it shows a choice between two or more options. So in case of options, we will be using or coffee or tea, blue or black, right or wrong. We can go to the movies or stay at home. So the option is yours. Movie or staying at home is the option. Should I have my bath or dinner? So bath or dinner. So there is a choice. So in case if you want to show a choice between two or more options, or is used. So or is used in case of choice between two or more options. Now let us learn the functions of so, as, then. Previously we have learnt the functions of but, and, or. Coming to the first one, so, the function of so is that the second idea will be the result of the first idea. So you have to be very clear. So only then if you see the example, it will be clear to you. First example, my grandmother is coming to visit, so I have to go home. So why you have to go home? My grandmother is coming to visit me. So the second idea is the result of the first one. Next, I did not study, so I failed my test. Why did you fail? Because you did not study. So the second idea is the result of the first idea. Next, coming to as. As, the function of as is that two events which happens at the same time. So what is the function? Two events which happens at the same time. Example, I saw my sister, I was leaving. I saw my sister as I was leaving. So I saw my sister, I was leaving, both has occurred at the same time. I was playing the piano, my mother was cooking. I was playing the piano at the same time my mother was cooking. So what is the function of as? Which shows that two events which occur at the same time. So two events happening at the same time. Then which shows that second idea happens after the first one. The second idea occurs after the first one. I finished my homework, then I cleaned my room. So after finishing the homework, I cleaned my room. So second idea happens after the first one. Then is used when the second idea happens after the first one. Next, coming to the second example, I ate a burger, then a slice of cake. First, I ate a burger, then a slice of cake. So the second idea is the result of the first one. I ate the burger, then I ate a slice of cake. So far we have learned 6 conjunctions: so, as, then, and, or, but. So what is a conjunction? It is a word which connects words, phrases or sentences to each other. So it is a connecting word. It is a linking word. There are 5 different types of conjunction: subordinating conjunction, correlative, compound conjunction, coordinating conjunction, pseudo conjunctions. So there are 5 different types of conjunctions. So here we are going to learn coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. As we have discussed that conjunctions are the words which joins words, phrases or sentences. So now we are going to learn coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions in detail. First, let us learn coordinating conjunctions. So from the name, it's very clear. Coordinating conjunction which is used to connect words, phrases or clauses of equal value. So what are coordinating conjunctions? For, and, nor, but, or, et, so. Fanboys. You have to remember fanboys. So it connects words, phrases, clauses of equal value. So coordinating conjunctions are fanboys. F for, A for and, N for or, B for but, O for or, Y, et, S, so. For is used to introduce a reason, and it's to show an additional idea. Nor, it is the negative form of or. But, to contrast, or choices. Et, again contrasting opposite ideas. So to introduce an effect or the result of whatever happened. So coordinating conjunctions, you have to remember fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, et, so. So you should be very clear that coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, et, so. So fanboys, it's easy to remember fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, et, so. These are coordinating conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions? Which connects words, phrases, clauses of equal value. So these are called as the coordinating conjunctions. So what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words which doesn't have a finite verb. So as we have discussed already, coordinating conjunctions which gives equal importance to words or the sentence that it connects. There are 7 different types of coordinating conjunctions. This also be discussed in previous slides. Fanboys: F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for et, S for so. Let's see the examples. I like coffee but my wife prefers tea. See the sentence. I like coffee but my wife prefers tea. So equal importance which is given to the words or the sentence that it connects. Would you prefer coffee or tea? So coffee or tea which is given importance. Both are given equal importance. I have drunk 6 cups of coffee today, so I have got a headache. I take milk and sugar in my tea. So milk and sugar which is given equal importance. He is 72, yet he still swims, runs, plays football regularly. So both are given importance. She must have been very hungry for she ate everything immediately. So she is hungry, so she ate everything immediately. So these are the few examples for coordinating conjunctions. Next, coming to so, which is used for showing consequence of something happened. He was very hungry, so he ate all the cake. Why he ate all the cake? He was very hungry, so he ate. So is used for showing the consequence of something happened, the result of something happened. But we have discussed already, it is used in a contrast form, that is to convey the opposite ideas. I eat cake but I never eat biscuits. So when but is used to denote contrasting ideas. For explaining why for is used. He is overweight for he eats too many cakes. So he is overweight because he eats too many cakes. Next, nor, it is used to non-contrasting negative items, that is he does not eat cake nor does he eat biscuits. So both are negative forms. The sentence conveys both negative forms. Nor is used or before an alternative, either this or thus. So choice, or is used in case of the choice of words or phrases. Would you like cake or biscuit with coffee? So cake or biscuits. It, again it is a contrast, it is similar to but. He is overweight and feels terrible, yet he continues to eat lots of cakes and biscuit. So nor, which is used in a negative form, or it is used in the choice of the items. It and but, which conveys the contrasting views, that is opposite views. So what are coordinating conjunctions? Fanboys, you should keep it very clear. Now let us learn subordinating conjunctions. So before going to subordinating conjunctions, one should know what is a phrase, what is a clause. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words which does not have a finite verb. Example, cat on the wall. This is a phrase, a group of words which does not have a finite verb. So what is a clause? A group of words which has a finite verb, and there are two types of clauses, main clause and a subordinate clause. So subordinating conjunctions are nothing but where the main clause and the subordinate clause joins together to form a subordinating conjunctions. Example, although, as, because, after, before, if, all these comes under the category of subordinating conjunctions. So whereas, though, before, while, unless, how, where, because, although, after, whereas, though, before, while, unless. So subordinating conjunctions are nothing but which joins the main clause to the subordinate clause. Main clause which gives a complete meaning, the subordinate clause which depends on the main clause for its complete meaning. She is crying because you were kind. Why she is crying? Because you were kind. So because here is a subordinating conjunction. So let us see some of the subordinating conjunctions. Because, so that, as, since, all these things which are used to express a reason or a cause. So she came late because she had fever. So this is a reason. Before, after, until, till, when, as soon as, whenever, while, that is it expresses time. You should come after 10:30. So the example of time. Unless, if, even if, in case, providing, which expresses condition. Unless you study well, you cannot get good marks. So it is a condition. Although, even though, whereas. So it expresses the opposite ideas, that is contrast. So these are some of the subordinating conjunctions. Because, so that, as, since, before, after, until, till, when, as soon as, whenever, while, etc. Now let us discuss correlative conjunction. From the name it's very clear that they are related to each other, and correlative conjunction which occurs in pairs. So what are correlative conjunctions? What are the pairs? Neither nor, not only but also, either or, no sooner than, whether or. They are some of the correlative conjunctions. Example for either or, it's my final offer, you can either take it or leave it. Both and, both English and Urdu are spoken in COMSETs. So correlative, both and or related to each other, not only but also. Not only he is a professional footballer, he is also a successful businessman. not but. In sport, what count is not the winning but the taking part. So not only but also, not but, they are correlative conjunctions. So both and, not only but also, not but, whether or, either or, these are the correlative conjunctions. Neither nor, which conveys a negative meaning. Marriage is neither heaven nor hell. Whether or, let's see an example. I am totally confused. I don't know whether I am coming or going. So it's an example for whether or. No sooner had I finished watering the garden than it started raining. So these are the examples of correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are nothing but they are related to each other. They always occurs in pairs, either or, neither nor, no sooner than, whether or, not only but also. So these are the few correlative conjunctions. Now it's time for assignment session. The first slide, which consists of 5 questions. Choose the appropriate conjunction. First question, he is foolish, dash, he is loved by others. Question number 2, I know him, dash, he was a child. Question number 3, he worked hard, dash, he failed. Number 4, you may go, dash, come back soon. Fifth question, this is the current position, dash, it will remain. The options are still, and so, yet, since, but, till, while, because, so that. So slide 1 consists of 5 questions. You have to choose the option given below. So students, you be careful in writing the answers. You have to choose the options given below. Sixth question, I did not attend the party, dash, I had to take care of my sister. Seventh question, dash, he looks feeble, he is strong. Question number 8, they had an unpleasant experience, dash, they were staying in the resort. Question number 9, keep the food covered, dash, the flies will contaminate it. Question number 10, correct all the mistakes, dash, you take a print. And options are before, or, though, while, because, so that, such that, as, and so. So slide number 2, which consists of 5 questions, you have to choose the answer from the option given below. So altogether 10 questions have been given for you. Please apply the rules what you have learned in this session. Kindly make it clear and write the answers. Thank you, dear students. We will meet in the next session, inshallah. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay alert, stay attentive for all the online classes.